Good evening students. In this video we are going to discuss about the crystal field splitting of d orbitals in an octahedral field. So before going to this, we will see the shapes of d orbitals. These are 5 d orbitals. So dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square and dg square. These are the 5 d orbitals. And next one is the, you will see the splitting of d orbitals. See here, splitting of d orbitals. This is energy diagram is going up energy. Here isolated metal atom with degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbitals means that is dxy and dyz and dgx and dx square minus y square and dg square. Isolated metal atom with degenerate orbitals. So why we call it as degenerate orbitals means the reason why have the same energy. Same energy. So if you take an octahedral complex means coordination number 6, the metal and these are the ligand, and when the ligand is approaches the d orbitals, there is a electron repulsions, repulsions. So the energy of the d orbitals will increases. So this is the hypothetical spherical crystal field. So next, the further split into a two sets. One is EZ and another one is the T2G set. So here this is x axis, y and z axis. As the ligand approaches along the axis as the dx square y square and dg square orbitals experience the more repulsions and acquire the high energy. So these orbitals called EZ orbitals. Next, as the dxy, dyz and dgx orbitals between the axis less repulsions due to interaction with the ligands, hence have less energy, called T2Z orbitals. So see here, these are the T2Z orbital dxy, dyz and so ligands come in between the orbital lobes, resulting the weak repulsions. Orbital lobes experience the less repulsions. And next one is the EZ orbitals, dx square y square and dg square. These are the along the axis and experience the more repulsions. So EZ orbitals, and the difference between the two set of orbital EZ and T2Z is called field splitting energy. Is written as delta. O is the octahedral complexes. Here the gain in energy by EZ set of orbitals plus 0.6 delta naught and the loss in energy by T2Z set of orbitals minus 0.4 delta naught. This is the crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. And also I gave the definitions of the T2Z and EZ orbitals. D orbitals have their lobes between the axis, T2Z orbitals and along EZ orbitals. So this is the splitting of d orbitals in octahedral field. So this is the isolated metal ended orbitals. When the ligand is approaches the d orbitals will increase the energy. This is the hypothetical spherical field and further split into a EZ and T2Z orbitals. So when ligand is approaches the dx square minus y square and dgs means along the axis experience the more repulsions and between the axes experience the less repulsion. So this is the dxy and next one is this is the ligands overlap orbital lobes resulting is a strong repulsion. This is the dg square and dx square. These are the along the axis and the field splitting energy is denoted by the delta. O is the octahedral. So thank you students.